Chief Scientific Officer. But first, let me wish all of you a happy 20th anniversary as members of the ST organization. It has been my privilege and honor to know all of you. How time flies, as I still remember the first time when I was asked to speak to the ST group during the Singapore's opening of Nu Skin, many years ago. As many of you know, I came from this part of the world, and I've never been so proud to observe the number of ST leaders who have become some of the best Nu Skin leaders around the world. Not only has ST created such incredible leaders, but I'm confident that more leaders will come from this organization. In fact, these new leaders will achieve, I believe, even greater heights of success in Nu Skin. Truly, I'm in awe of all of you, but most importantly, you personify the Nu Skin's force for good tenet and culture. To all ST leaders, I salute your leadership. Perhaps by sharing my Nu Skin journey, you can get a sense why I think being in Nu Skin has been a highlight of my life. As many of you know, I came into the world of Nu Skin through an acquisition. Back in 1995, I and several of my pharmaceutical friends decided to start a nutritional supplement company called Pharmanex. It was an idea that we felt could benefit the health of people by developing science-based healthy supplements that can actually improve nutritional health. The Pharmanex founders, including myself, believe that our drug discovery experience in the pharmaceutical companies can be used to develop meaningful supplements. We actually have developed several successful drugs, but we wanted to create even better products from natural ingredients to improve lives. After all, many drugs had actually come from natural ingredients, but they have never been studied scientifically to truly extract their health value. Despite the value of natural products, pharmaceutical companies are less interested in these ingredients because they don't offer patent protection, and therefore, in their opinion, less economical to develop as final products. These companies are actually more interested in developing synthetic chemicals as drugs, even though such chemicals require more funding to help to develop them into safe and effective products. So we saw an opportunity to start a company based on natural ingredients that are provided by nature but proven by science to build a stronger body and healthier lives. After all, these natural ingredients have been used for several hundred years and proven to be safe and effective. Indeed, many of them actually included in foods in many cultures. When we started Pharmanex, we told investors that we were going to build a science-based supplement company. And incredibly, we raised over $38 million to start Pharmanex. Just this simple story started Pharmanex, and soon our natural product-based supplements were marketed in over 30,000 stores in the United States. Our success was then noticed in the industry, and we became rather well known for our science-based approach in the industry. So only after 3 years of starting the company, we attracted the attention of Nu Skin, who then decided to acquire the company for $135 million. In 1998, Pharmanex became part of Nu Skin, and I became responsible for using the Pharmanex R&D engine to drive both skincare and supplements product development. Another important factor that drove me to start Pharmanex is my personal experience with the aging of my parents. I have since lost both my parents, but when they were alive, I noticed there was a huge difference in their quality of life before their deaths. My father, for example, because of his illness, had a horrible quality of life. For example, he was barely able to shave himself. He needed help to shave. And it was sad to see a man requiring such help. Simply put, this inability to shave himself and other disabilities make my dad's quality of life less than optimal. That was heartbreaking for me. By contrast, my mom led a great life. She was always mobile, and throughout her life, she has the mental acuity to play mahjong with her friends. Indeed, she had a full and vibrant life, and her quality of life never degraded. When she finally died at the age of 89, she just went to sleep peacefully and never woke up. By starting Pharmanex, my hope was to develop products that can support such quality of life throughout people's lives so that all of us can die healthy. A question that I've been asked is, why Nu Skin? Why did Pharmanex got acquired by Nu Skin? For all intents and purposes, it was not about the financial offer, because Pharmanex had other similar offers from even more well-known companies. I think at the end of the day, the Pharmanex co-founders believed that we share similar values with the Nu Skin founders, especially when we understood how Nu Skin leaders will be able to bring the Pharmanex message to the world. In other words, it came down to how Nu Skin is a company built by leaders, for leaders, and with leaders. So it's really all about all of you that became the deciding factor for us to join Nu Skin. In fact, I like to think Pharmanex actually bought Nu Skin instead of Nu Skin buying Pharmanex. One of the major reasons that I've stayed with Nu Skin over the last 20 years is the fact that Nu Skin has never failed to keep its commitment to innovation. Since I've been with Nu Skin, we have seen several product breakthroughs. I must say it would have been impossible to bring these products to fruition without Nu Skin committing significant investments for these projects. For example, we invested more than $100 million to develop the biophotonic scanner, and we spent more than $50 million to build the beauty device brand. Finally, none of these investments would have been possible without our scientists, and that is why we also invested in an innovation center to the tune of $200 million to make sure that our scientists have the best state-of-the-art labs to let our 75 scientists to innovate. These scientists, coming from various scientific disciplines, collaborate to ensure that the best scientific discoveries are incorporated into our products. Indeed, Nu Skin is a leading anti-aging company because of these scientists. Every single product in Nu Skin, without exception, is carefully evaluated by these scientists to ensure safety and efficacy. So taken together, such investments in technology and people are indeed a demonstration of Nu Skin commitment to provide products that can help you build a truly sustainable business opportunity. It is your success that tells me that people are getting benefits from Nu Skin products, and your leadership is critical building a healthier world. One of the cornerstones of Nu Skin science and technology is age-lock. Age-lock is genetic science that our scientists have been using to identify the sources of aging. And through this discovery, we are developing anti-aging products that can address the sources of aging at the most fundamental level. This approach has proven to be more powerful than other types of approaches, because not only can we treat the signs of aging, age-locked products can slow down aging at its source, which allows us to live younger